Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to criminology studies. In this video, we'll dive into essential review questions designed to sharpen your legal knowledge and investigative skills. Criminology, 10 items review questions, Set 3A. Are you ready to challenge yourself, test your expertise, and prepare for success in your exams? Don't miss out. Subscribe now and stay updated with more criminology review materials, law enforcement discussions, and in-depth legal insights. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. The principle which states that man, by nature, always tries to maximize pleasure and avoid pain. A. Utopia. B. Hedonism. C. Socialism. D. Atavism. The purpose of penalty in the positivist school of criminology. A. Retribution. B. Reformation. C. Rejection. D. Restitution. This theory believes that punishment should fit the criminal and not the crime committed. A. Positivist theory. B. Neoclassical theory. C. Classical theory. D. Differential association theory. This theory postulates that the ordinary routines of life present opportunities for crime. A. Functionalist theory. B. Routine activities theory. C. Rational choice theory. D. Control theory. This theory puts the focus on the process of naming behaviors and the people that perform them. A. Functionalist theory. B. Anomie theory. C. Rational choice theory. D. Labeling theory. This type of physique has relatively predominant muscles, bones and motor organs of the body. A. Viscerotonic. B. Mesomorphic. C. Endomorphic. D. Ectomorphic. What law created the Board of Criminology in the Philippines? A. RA 5606. B. RA 6560. C. RA 6506. D. RA 8551. What theory considers crime as a natural social phenomenon? A. Somatotyping theory. B. Differential association theory. C. Positivist theory. D. Psychoanalytical theory. Which is an attempt at scientific analysis of the study of causes or reasons for crime. A. Penology. B. Sociology of law. C. Criminal psychology. D. Criminal etiology. Who is a person who kills 3 or more persons in 3 or more separate events? A. Serial killer. B. Spree killer. C. Mass murderer. D. Homicidal. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.